Good morning, students. Today, 27th of October 2020. Again, we are here with our English Zoom class. Okay. So, yesterday we have seen the chapter number 7, packing. We had started its introduction and we have already discussed of its 2 points, means 2 paragraphs. So, packing. It is written by Jerome K. Jerome. Okay. And this is an extract taken from the novel Three Man in a Boat. Right. ये कैसा एक्सट्रैक्ट है जो कि एक फेमस नोवेल थ्री मैन इन ए बोट से लिया गया है जिसके ऑथर है जेरोम के जेरोम. राइट. So before proceeding to the third point of this lesson, let us discuss first and second point. Then we will continue it. So in the first and second point, we have seen that Jerome, the narrator of the story, felt very pride on his packing. He felt very pride of his packing. Three friends, Harris, George, and Jerome. They decided to go on a holiday trip. Jerome offered to do packing. George and Harris, his friends, were impressed by that. They felt relaxed. Okay, they felt very relaxed by lighting a cigar and pipe. And at the same time, the narrator do the packing work. But what happened? The narrator intended that George and Harris would pack also. Okay. He thought that they should also pack the bags. And he would become the boss of over them. So this time, Jerome thought that these other two friends, Harris and George, they would pack the bags. They would keep all the things in the bag. And he would be like to become the boss over them. वो चाहता था कि इस बार हैरिस और जॉर्ज बैग पैक करें फॉर गोइंग टू द ट्रिप और वो उनका बॉस बने. मीन्स ही विल गिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस क्या क्या रखना है क्या नहीं रखना है, लाइक दैट एवरीथिंग. When they relaxed, he was irritated. When he saw that these two people, means Harris and George, they felt very relaxed. So he became very much irritated after seeing these two people. People's not doing anything greatly irritated him. So it is a habit of a nature that when the other person, they are not doing the other work and we are supposed to do some works. So naturally, some thoughts came to our mind that why we are doing all this, why not the other work. जब भी हम कोई टास्क करते हैं और हमें ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ हम ही करते हैं, रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स नहीं करते हैं, तो हमें एक इरिटेशन हो जाती है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है, हमारे माइंड में बात आती है कि बार बार क्यों हम ही क्यों करें, मैं शुड बी, हम क्यों करें, व्हाई नॉट द अदर्स. सेम थिंग इज हैपन विद Jerome also. He feels that why should always I pack, why not these two people. And when he saw that these two people were feeling relaxed, sitting in an easy chair and making a cocktail from the leg of the tail like that, so he became very much irritated. वो irritated हो जाता था. He would enjoy getting up and overseeing others' works. He hated on seeing people doing nothing when he was working. उसे अच्छा नहीं लगता था कि जब वो काम करता और दूसरे खाली बैठे रहते थे. वो काम करता रहता है कंटिन्यूसली और दूसरे बैठ के देते थे, तो उसे इससे इरिटेशन होता था. So this much we had completed in the previous class. Now we shall proceed to point number 3. Take out your book, point number 3, page number 83. Anushka Rathore, read it. Point number 3, loudly.
I lived with a man once who used to make me mad that way. He would loll on the sofa and watch me doing things by the hour together. He said it did him real good to look on at me messing about. Now I am not like that. I can't sit still and see another man slaving and working. I want to get up and superintend and walk round with my hands in my pocket and tell him what to do. It is my energetic nature. I can't help it.
Thank you so much. I lived with a man once who used to make me mad badly. He would loll on the sofa. Loll means here, sit or stand lazily, very comfortably. Sit or stand lazily. So he lived with a man. He just told about a thing that he lived with a man who used to make me mad that way. Make me mad. वो पागल कर देता like that. He would sit or stand on the sofa very lazily and watch me doing things by the hour together. He said it did him real good to look on at me messing about. Messing means what? Creating confusion. Creating confusion. So the person he was looking at and Zeram are doing the work. वो काम करते थे और दूसरा उसको देख लेता तो इससे वो ही सोचता आर यू मैड और व्हाई यू आर बिकमिंग इरिटेटेड उसे इरिटेशन हो जाता था कि मैं काम कर रहा हूँ दूसरा देखता है लाइक दैट he said it did him real good to look on at me. Okay, he said it did him real good to look on at me messing about. Now I am not like that. I can't sit still and see another man slaving and working. So according to the this, we can say that from the point of view of Zeram, he could not sit or stand still. उसे खाली बैठना या बैठे रहना या खड़े रहना अच्छा लगता था. He want to work continuously. काम करना चाहता था. At the same time, he doesn't like the people who are not doing any work. That irritates him. जब खुद काम करता है दूसरे सामने वाले को देखते कि वो काम नहीं कर रहा तो वो उसको इरिटेशन भी होता था. ऐसी बात नहीं. I want to get up and superintend and walk around with my hands in my pockets and tell him what to do. So what Jerome was when he saw that man, that he was not doing, he was sitting in a sofa very easily. And he told that as superintendent, he just watched, looked at him and told that what to do or what not. एक सुपरवाइजर की तरह जेरोम उसको इंस्ट्रक्ट करता है कि तुम्हें कैसे करना है काम को और कैसे नहीं करना है वो उसको बार-बार इंस्ट्रक्ट करता है. It is my energetic nature. So it is the nature of Zero that he wants that when he used to do the work at the same time, the other people also do it. And he likes to superintend or supervise those people when they are doing any work. और उसे अच्छा लगता है जब वो देखता है कि सामने वाला पर्सन भी काम कर रहा है और उसको इंस्ट्रक्ट करता है सही तरीके से करने के लिए काम इंस्ट्रक्ट करता है और उसे एनर्जेटिक फील होता है उसके लिए. I can't help it, but I will give the instruction. उसको हेल्प उस वे से नहीं बट इनडायरेक्टली ही कैन हेल्प इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नंबर 4 भूमिका राठी. रीड पॉइंट नंबर 4 भूमिका राठी.
However, I did not say anything but started the packing. It seemed a longer job than I had thought it was going to be. That is, but I got the bag finished at last. I sat on it and strapped it. Ain't you going to put the books in? Said Harris. And I looked round and found I had forgotten them. That's just like Harris. He couldn't have said a word until I would got the bag shut and strapped, of course. And George laughed, one of those irritating, senseless laughs of his. They do make me so wild.
Okay, thank you so much. However, I did not say anything but started the packing. So now at that moment when he was packing the bags for going to the trip, he saw that Harris and George, they used to just sit lazily, sitting in an easy chair and doing nothing. He just said, leave it, and he started packing the bags. So देखा कि वो दोनों दोस्त तो कोई help नहीं कराते और बोलना भी उनके लिए बेकार ही है. So he just started packing the bags. It seemed a longer job, okay, that I had thought it was going to be, but I got the bag finished at last and I sat on it and strapped. What is the meaning of strapped? Anyone? Strapped means anyone can able to give the answer. What is the meaning of strap? STRAPPAD. Okay, fine. Tied with straps. फीतों से बांध देना, कस के बांधते हैं ना रस्सी जैसे. Tied with straps. फीतों से रस्सी से टाइटली बांध देना बैग को, बिल्कुल क्लोज करते हैं बैग के ऊपर. दिखा होगा आपने, रस्सी टाइप की रहती है, उसको टाइटली पैक कर दिया जाता है. ठीक है ना. So at last what happened? He did it. He packed the bag. At last he finished it and tied with straps. Aren't you going to put the boots in, Harris? At that time, what happened? After finishing the packing of bags, Harris asked, have you put the boots or shoes in your bag? He asked. Harris ने पूछा, क्या तुमने shoes रखा क्या bag में? And I looked round and found I have forgotten them. So देखा चारों तरफ, the mind strike किया कि मैं तो भूल गया shoes रखना. That's just like Harris. He couldn't have said a word until I got the bag shut and strapped, of course. ये हैरिस का था ऐसा. जब पूरा बैग पैक हो जाता तब वो बोलता, ये रखा, वो रखा, like that. In between he never says anything. So after he just reminding a thing, that have you put the boots, then he kept silent. He said, doesn't say a single word. ये याद दिला के वो चुप हो गया. उसने कुछ नहीं बोला एक single word उसके बाद. और वो जेरोम परेशान होते रहे कि रखा कि नहीं रखा है. Again he just started opening the bag and search it whether he had kept that shoes or not. He couldn't have said a word until I had got the bag shut and strapped, of course, and George laughed. At that time what happened? George laughed. उसको हंसी आ गई उससे कि इसने इसको याद दिला दिया. पहले तो याद दिलाया नहीं, जब पैक हो गया पूरा पैक, and afterwards just tried to remind him. One of those senseless laugh of his, they do make me so wild. ये जब भी ऐसा mostly it happens with Zero. अधिकतर होता था Zero के साथ. जब वो पैक कर लेता था तो हैरी से उसको कुछ ना कुछ चीज के याद रख. Have you kept that one? Have you put it inside in a bag or not, like that? So it naturally it irritates. हमको हमारे साथ भी ऐसा होता है, हमें भी बहुत irritation होता है. तो obviously same thing is happened with Zero also. उसे भी लगता था. और at that time George laughed. उसको हंसी आती थी, which makes Zero so wild. उसे और ज्यादा गुस्सा आ जाता था इस चीज. Right? Now next point number 5. Okay, I will read it. I opened the bag and packed the boots in. Right? And then just as I was going to close it, a horrible idea occurred to me. Okay. Once again he opened the bag. उसने bag खोला. Then he put the boots inside the bag. And after close it, an horrible idea visited me. यहाँ लिखा है horrible, खतरनाक idea आया उसके mind में. What is that? Had I packed my toothbrush? क्या मैंने अपना toothbrush रखा कि नहीं रखा? This is the idea. I don't know how it is, but I never do know whether I have packed my toothbrush or not. My toothbrush is a thing that haunts me when I am traveling and makes my life a miserable. Okay, एक टूथब्रश की उसकी एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था. ये उन्होंने काफी ट्रिप गए हैं वो लोग, हॉलिडे ट्रिप बहुत बार गए हैं तीनों फ्रेंड्स. आपने नोवेल नहीं पढ़ा होगा. हमने लास्ट ईयर इट वाज देयर, लास्ट ईयर it was there in 9th class, 3 men in a boat, and mostly he forgot toothbrush. अधिकतर भूल जाता था टूथब्रश. तो पूरा टूथब्रश के लिए पूरा बैग खोला जाता था, फिर सर्च किया जाता था किसका रखा किसका नहीं रखा, like that. So that is why he told that an horrible idea came to his mind. इसलिए वो कहता है ये बात. और वो हॉन्ट ऐसे लगता है कि ये गलती बार-बार दोहराई जाती है. So I dream that I haven't packed it. अब उसे ऐसा लगता है कि I haven't packed my toothbrush. And wake up in a cold perspiration and get out of bed and hunt for it. In the morning, I pack it before I have used it, and I have to unpack again to get it. And it is always the last thing I turn out of the bag, and then I repack and forget it and have to rush upstairs for it at the last moment and carry it to the railway station wrapped up in my pocket handkerchief. So it happens that last moment what happens students कि वो lastly ये भूल जाता है, ब्रश करता है और उसे ये ध्यान नहीं रखता कि ये ब्रश करते ही मुझे अपने बैग में रख देना चाहिए मेरा ब्रश. ठीक है ना. बाकी दोनों जॉर्ज एंड हैरिस वो इस चीज का बहुत ध्यान रखते थे and they put their वो लोग रखते थे, वो लोग दे देते थे इसको, बट ही always used to forget his toothbrush, ये होता था। तो दिस टाइम उसको वापस ये चीज लगा कि मेरे साथ में क्या क्या इंसिडेंट हो चुके हैं, कितनी बार मैं भूल चुका हूँ, मेरा टूथब्रश बहुत बार होता है लाइक दैट। नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 6, of course I had to turn every mortal thing out now, and of course I could not find it. I rummaged, means searched again. Again he thought that yes, I have forgotten to keep that. I rummaged the things up to in much the same state that they must have been before the world has created, and when Chaos ringed. So again he was just trying to find out. Chaos means disorder, confusion came, whether I have kept my toothbrush or not. Then again he started to search inside his bag. Of course, I found George and Harris 18 times over, but I couldn't find my own. 18 times उसने सर्च किया और 18 times उससे जॉर्ज और हैरिस के टूथब्रश मिले, मगर खुद का टूथब्रश बैग में नहीं मिला। ठीक है ना? This is the thing. 18 times you can imagine for a single toothbrush. अगर हम उसके प्लेस में होते तो we are least bother about. We can purchase it from the market and use it, isn't it? हम तो नया खरीद लेते, हर बार ही खरीद लेते, दरबार भूखते तो हर बार ही खरीदते। This is our nature. But Jerome wants that उसका खुद का ब्रश होना चाहिए। So for that reason he opened the bag 18 times, and 18 times he found that Harris and George brush is there, but he couldn't find his own toothbrush. Okay. But I couldn't find it. I put the things back one by one again. फिर से उसको बैग पैकिंग किया गया सिस्टमेटिकली, क्योंकि एक सिंगल चीज को ढूंढने के लिए पूरा बैग डिस्टर्ब हो जाता, पूरा सारी चीज वापस वैसे हो जाती है। अनुष्का राठौर, आर यू देयर? वीडियो ऑन रखिए। Yes. So then I found it inside a boot. I repacked once more. फिर उसने देखा कि बूट के अंदर था, फिर उसके बाद वापस पैक किया in this manner. He just at last he packed, right? Now the 7th point. I would like Divyanshi Tarawat. Read the point number 7. Divyanshi.
When I had finished,
Open your video while reading.
yes, ma'am.
Read.
When I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or whether it wasn't. And I slammed the bag shut and strapped it and found that I had packed my spectacles in it and had to reopen it. It got shut up finally at 10:05 p.m. and then there remained the hampers to do. Harris said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time and thought that he and George had better to do the rest. And I agreed and sat down and they had a go.
Thank you so much. So when at last Jerome finished his packing the bag, okay, George then, first time Harris reminded whether you have put the books in or not. Now the George turn. अब George की बारी आ गई। कितने बार उसने रीपैक किया है बैग को, इतने बार तो सर्च किया for a simple toothbrush. And then George asked if the soap, okay, soap was in, तुमने साबुन रखा या नहीं रखा? Now he told that I didn't care whether I put it or not. And he just shut and strapped it, और उसे बंद कर दिया और strapped कर दिया पूरा. And found that I had packed my spectacles in it and to reopen it. And it got shut up at last at 10:05 p.m. at night time. He packed his bag. रात के 10:05 पर उसने पूरी तरह से पैकिंग करके क्लोज कर दिया था। कुछ नहीं रखना, कुछ नहीं देखना, बस like this is the last. And then he remained the hampers to do. Hampers means what? Anyone can tell me what do you mean by hampers? HAMPers. It is a large basket
Large.
for carrying food. Food का एक basket रखते हैं ना, only for food, keeping the food. Okay. So then he remained. Then he found. I packed my spectacles in and had to reopen it. I got shut up finally at 10:05 p.m. And then there remained the hampers to do. और वो रह गया था, उसको करना था last food basket को. Harris said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time, and thought that he and George had better to do the rest. And I agreed and sat down and they had gone. और उन्होंने कहा कि अब बहुत हो गया, we should have to take some rest. Okay, फिर morning में हमें अपना trip start करना है. So in this way, we have seen that they have packed the entire backpacking. Packing is completed at last. Jerome has finished the packing of the bag. Okay, so today we have completed till 7th point. Let us once again revise what we have did it today. So the narrator started the packing, right? And he had finished packing in a short time. At that time, Harris told that he had forgotten to put the boots in. He opened the bag and packed the boots in. Then he had gotten a horrible idea. Had he packed his toothbrush or not? Then he had some wild memories of it. उसने कुछ memories याद करी about the toothbrush. Then he turned everything out. सब चीज बाहर निकाल दी. But he could not find the toothbrush. He found brushes of George and Harris 18 times over there. But he couldn't find his own. So he put the things back one by one. Okay. So in this way, so he put the things back one by one. Then he found the toothbrush inside a boot. He repacked the things once more. The narrator finished packing the bag. Soon George asked if the soap was in. But the narrator was in anger mode. So he won't open the bag, however, and he found that he had packed his tobacco pouch. Then he had to reopen the bag, and George and Harris undertook to do the rest of the packing. Okay. So in this way, we can see that how the Jerome at last packed the bag for his holiday trip. So if you have any doubts regarding today's class, you can ask me. Anyone have any doubt? As I told that this chapter will be come in your first weekly test, that is on 2nd of November, isn't it? ये पूरा चैप्टर thoroughly पढ़ के आएंगे आप, एग्जाम में वीकली टेस्ट में आपका ये चैप्टर आने वाला है. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. No one has. So did you understand what we have discussed right now? Student?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow we will have point
Yes.
number 8. We'll discuss point number 8, 9, 10, whatever we have according to the time. Okay. Yes, Anurag, what do you want to ask? Awkward means? Meaning of awkward. Yes, anybody from your side? What is the meaning of awkward? O-double-C-U-R. This is a very familiar word you must have heard. Awkward. Anyone from your side, first I will give you the opportunity. What is the meaning of awkward?
Ma'am, where?
From where? It is there. O-double-C-U-R-E-D. You must be familiar with this word. आपने सुना है ये word? Awkward. What do you mean by that? Awkward का मतलब क्या होता है? Anyone? This is a very simple word, beta. You know it very well.